Hey there, welcome to the Right on Time Minisode. This Right on Time Minisode is about money. It's about the numbers. It's about looking at the data so that we can make great decisions in our business. In fact, I'm specifically talking about a revenue plan. Businesses that have a revenue plan tend to grow 3 times faster than those that don't. Now, is this about popping your numbers in an Excel and having the data all in front of you? I don't think so. I think the growth actually comes because when you create a revenue plan, you get intentional about what you want to do and where you want to take the business. And that helps us make great decisions in our business and make decisions from a place of strategic intention versus making decisions willy-nilly. But I was recently talking about the need to create a revenue plan with my clients. And one person said, but what if you hate Excel? Because I had popped a beautiful Excel up, well organized with pre-populated formulas. And my client said, yeah, that looks good, but I don't like Excel. It gives me all of the EBGB feelings. And my response was, you don't have to create this revenue plan in Excel. You don't have to look at your numbers in Excel. I happen to really like Excel. And even then, sometimes my first revenue plan is created on a piece of paper. So with that in mind, I want to invite you to not worry about Excel, but I want to invite you to make your revenue plan, to look at your numbers anywhere that feels amazing to you. It can be in a notebook, it can be on a large sheet of construction paper, or on your whiteboard, or on a large piece of craft paper you have rolled down on your wall. Did you guys notice I almost said crap? I meant craft paper. And in addition, there are other opportunities for you to look at your numbers creatively. For example, when we're inviting people into our online mastermind and implementation incubator, Freshly Implemented, we celebrate and acknowledge every single person through an alert in a very specific Slack channel. This is just an updated technology way to accomplish this. And I used to do that on a piece of craft paper on my wall with stars and hearts and colored markers next to each person. Now it's in Slack and I use emojis from hearts to the celebration to glitter buttons. So whatever way that inspires you and motivates you and works best for you, it does not matter. It does not have to be in an Excel. You can always move it to Excel later when you want to share it with someone, but you can also take a picture and let someone else help you move it to Excel if it needs to get there. So with all of that in mind, I want to invite you to take a look at your numbers, but take a look at them in whatever way that feels good to you, because it just might move you to be more intentional and to 3xing your growth in the year ahead. Tag me in at Amber McHugh on social media if you implement any of these strategies. And we would love it if you got something out of the Right on Time Minisode to leave us a 5-star review and let us know what your key takeaways were. I cannot wait to celebrate your growth right on time.